When it comes to organizing data and managing projects, many people wonder whether they should use Notion or traditional spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets. Both tools are powerful, but they serve different purposes, and understanding the differences can help you choose the right one for your needs. Spreadsheets are excellent for calculations, formulas, and number-heavy data. If you need to perform complex analysis, track finances, or manage large datasets, spreadsheets are unbeatable for their speed and flexibility in handling numbers. They're also familiar to many users, which makes them easy to adopt for straightforward tasks. On the other hand, Notion is more than just a database tool, it's an all-in-one workspace. With Notion, you can create notes, manage tasks, track projects, and even build databases that look and function like spreadsheets, but with added flexibility. Notion's databases allow you to link pages, add rich content, and visualize data in multiple ways, including tables, Kanban boards, calendars, and lists. This makes it ideal for project management, content planning, and collaboration, where context and organization are just as important as numbers. You can also integrate Notion with AI tools to summarize data, generate insights, or automate workflows, something spreadsheets can't do natively. In short, use spreadsheets when your work revolves around numbers and calculations, and use Notion when you need a flexible, all-in-one system for managing projects, notes, and tasks. Some power users even combine both, using spreadsheets for heavy data analysis while tracking projects and context in Notion. Understanding the strengths of each tool can save you time, reduce stress, and make your work much more efficient. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Click the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment telling us which tool you prefer for managing your work, Notion or Spreadsheets.